What is up, guys? I'm back again with another maintenance vlog today. So we've got some new stuff for the KTM. Now what we've got some new chains and sprocket, which we desperately needed, and in a moment I'll show you guys what I've done so far, what still needs to be done obviously, and this is not going to be a how-to video. It's just gonna be a video showing you guys the way I go through it. So the tools that you might need. Okay, I've got a grinder with a flat disc just in case we need to cut off some stuff, a piece of pliers for the retaining clip on the front sprocket, and then a 13mm wrench for the bolts on the back, some Loctite, a flat screwdriver, and I didn't have the correct Allen size, so I determined that 8mm bolt head would fit, and I found one out of a clamp that I could sacrifice, and I just clamped it in a vice grip. So yeah, unfortunately at this point the shops are closed and I really want to get it done, so you have to adapt and overcome. Alright, but without any further ado, I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna jump into the removal process. So the first thing I'm gonna do before I loosen the wheel, I'm just gonna loosen up all the sprocket bolts here, just a little bit, to make them easier to get off once the wheel's off the bike, because I don't really have a very clear workbench. Chain and sprockets. As soon as the sprockets are off, I'll show you guys what I mean. Like, these sprockets have seen better days. There we go. Now you can just pull it through. And remove it. And job done. Okay, now that I've got the bike in the air, the next thing I'm going to do is remove the front sprocket. And as soon as it's off, then I'll compare it to the new one. So this is pretty simple. You just take pliers, pull off the retaining clip, and I'll give that a good clean, and this should slip off. I don't know if this is going to show up on the camera, but you can clearly see that the teeth on the old sprocket are very, very, very crooked. So this is long overdue. I should have replaced it like hours ago, but you know, that's how it is, and we're doing it now. So okay, it's as simple as gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go. Tapping the sprocket on. Now that we've got the wheels set up here, we can go ahead and remove the sprocket. Set you guys down here on the bike. Alright, so as you guys saw, that last bolt fought me a little bit, but we got everything off. So here's the old sprocket compared to the new one, nice and fresh. You can also see a whole bunch of crooked teeth, and there's actually some teeth that at the verge of breaking. But we got it off. Now just got to clean the bolts and install the new one. Alright, so I forgot to film the part. I had to shorten the chain by 1 link, and now I'm ready to put in the master link. Go. Now, this retaining clip you want to put on the opposite direction of what the chain is turning, so that it doesn't get knocked off. And that's it. New chain and sprockets installed. So just need to adjust the chain. So if you guys want to buy some space for your bikes, I recommend you guys check out EMD Racing. They didn't sponsor the video or sponsor any ports, but as of yet I haven't found a shop that has better deals than EMD Racing. I'll put the links to the website and the email address down below in the description, so you guys can check them out. Alright, that's it for this video. Peace out.